Welcome to Tacoma's Hidden Treasure. The guys are making terrific progress in terms of framing in the boat shop and the roof that goes up and it joins the truss system. And they're putting in I-beams this afternoon and just making terrific progress. That's a key part of the reconstruction. Having an enclosed area gives us a lot better opportunity for dust abatement as well as soundproofing the boat shop when we've got the lathes going and the saws going. The neatest thing that's going on is this gives people who are real artisans in terms of restoring wooden boats an opportunity to have a world-class facility to restore these boats that are real classics.